We are obviously in the midst of tectonic shifts in the global economy. And part of that story, as you may have guessed, is about how the global class system is changing and what that might mean for the planet and its people. So to discuss this, today we have Mike Savage, Professor of Sociology at the London School of Economics, Stuart Lansley, a visiting fellow at Bristol University and author of the recent book, The Cost of Inequality, which is on sale here, and Felix Preston, a fellow at Chatham House. Now, before we start, maybe we can open it up quickly to the audience. If you can raise your hand if you think you are middle class. Okay. And now let's do another one. Maybe raise your hand if you think you know exactly what middle class means. Great.